Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to change language on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to change language on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. At the bottom right corner, tap on more and you'll land on this interface. Now again you'll be required to tap on the settings just above my notes over here, guys. Tap on settings, and over here tap on the general option available for us at the bottom of the list just below the appearance. Tap on general, guys, and you'll land over here where you can see the language option available for us at the top of the screen where it says English. Tap on it and all of the available languages on Viber will be over here. Now in order to choose a current language, tap on any language you want to use as a default language on Viber and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. By that way, guys, your language on Viber will be changed like this. And let's change it back, and with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to change language on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.